Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Honda Goldwing. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 Honda Goldwing with 35,591 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, an electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an intercom. It's been upgraded with a Champion TRIKE kit, a rider backrest, and an aftermarket windshield. We have replaced the front tire. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel capacity, the Goldwing has a 180 to 230 mile range. It has a 29.1-inch seat height and in stock form an 895-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output of 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and both rear tires are at 830 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that there is a seep at the rear shocks, there is no fob for the locking luggage, and some of the front fender mounting tabs are broken. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The rear fender is cracked, and there are paint chips on the rear fender. This TRIKE has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.